Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So today I'm going to do this super quick video to try to help some people out. So I get lots of messages and emails of people asking like if I can crochet a baby dress or crochet this and that, or people saying they didn't even know that I did crochet tutorials. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to find those in case you didn't know. Maybe you're new to my channel and you don't know. Hey, I do lots of crochet tutorials. I don't just do yarn content. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to find what you want on my channel. My channel is very neatly organized. So I'm going to turn my camera around and show you here on my laptop. It should be the same, pretty much the same on a mobile device. So let me turn my camera around. Okay, so here I am, YouTube right here, okay? So what you want to do first, of course, is you go to the main search bar and you type in my channel, Bagoday. I should pop up right there. There I am. That's me. So go right here and click on my channel. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is hit the subscribe button, okay? I'm not signed in, so it's not going to let me subscribe. But make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And then click the little notification bell to where it looks like it's ringing whenever that pops up. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay, now in order to find all my videos, it's very, very easy. You come to this main page after you subscribe, and you go to playlist, okay? Right here, I have everything so neatly organized in playlist. Click on that, okay? Now it's going to show you all my videos. I have about 1,200 videos, okay? But they're all organized very neatly. So it's going to show you all my playlists here. So like I have a playlist for toddler dresses. I have a playlist with every video that I've ever made on it. I have a playlist with just all my crochet tutorials on it. Playlist for women's clothing, playlist for bags, playlist for cows, playlist for shawls, hats, animal clothing, men's clothing, baby blankets, ponchos, yarn reviews, yarn hauls, yarn shopping. Depending on what you like, I have a playlist for it. And I even have a playlist for weights. Say you have a weight of yarn, like a 3-weight or a 4-weight, and you don't know what to do with it, right here. All my tutorials that are made with bulky 5. All my tutorials that are made with lightweight 3. Just all of them that are made with the 4-weight. Just go through all these playlists and you'll be able to find crochet stitch tutorials, sock tutorials, household items such as pot holders, wash rags, placemats, bowls, anything you could think of as far as household bags. Pretty much have everything you could ever want. So I'm going to show you this playlist right here. All a Bagoday crochet video, all a Bagoday crochet video crochet tutorials. This is going to show you all the tutorials that I have. Crochet tutorials. Okay, just a second here. I have almost 800, so it's going to show you them all. I have everything that you could want. I mean, in multiples of them. Shawls, ponchos, granny squares, like I said, dish rags, capes, cowls, scarves, so many hats, cat beds, blankets, newborn dresses, toddler dresses, anything you could want, scrubbies. I mean, I have it. Like I said, I have almost 800. Well, 200 or 752 to date, but it will keep growing. So you just look through here. Lots and lots to look through. Men's clothing, women's clothing. Pretty much, like I said, anything you could want. I have it. Stitch tutorials. But that's how you find all my crochet tutorials. Now I'm also going to show you something else real quick. Let's go click on a video. I'm going to turn it off because I don't really want to hear my voice. Okay, so here is one of my tutorials. Now, almost I only have just a few tutorials that are not closed caption. Just a few. And then I have about quarters of them in other languages. So I'm going to show you how to work that. So right here is the closed caption button. This is how you turn it off and on. So if I want to hit this, and it's going to automatically come up, closed captions. If you don't want closed captions, you turn it off, and it's not going to show you. Say you want closed captions in another language. So you hit the closed captions, and you come over here to the settings, and it's going to show you what languages it's available in. Okay, so I would go to subtitles CC, and you can see I have it in Arabic, English, Hindi, Portuguese, Spanish. My tutorials are in all different languages. Some of them are in like 20 different languages. Some of them are in just a few different languages. But just in case you want to look at them in different languages, you can. Otherwise, if you're from, you more want to watch it in English, there you go. And if you do not, like I said, if you don't want this up on your screen, you just easily turn it off by hitting that closed caption button again. Now they're gone. Now another thing I want to show you is about the quality of the video. Now, if you don't have it set up to where YouTube automatically puts your videos, or puts anybody's videos, anybody that uploads a video that you watch, YouTube will put it in the lowest quality unless you have it set otherwise. So what you do is, all my, maybe not really old ones, but most of the recent ones, are all in ultra high def. So you want to hit the settings button right here, and you want to go to quality. Now, a lot of times YouTube will put them at low quality like this, and that's going to be blurry. If you go to settings and you see that your device that you're watching can handle a high def resolution video, go up here and click on it, and it's going to make it crystal clear, just like me. Crystal clear tutorials. Okay. So that's how you change the definition to make it look more high quality. And remember, that's how you do the closed captions. And if you want them, if you don't, hit the CC and it'll turn them off. And then I told you can go to settings and turn them into different languages if you choose. Let's go back to the playlist again one more time. Remember, make sure you're subscribed. Oops, I don't know what's going on now. Okay, I got to close that out. No, I don't want that. Okay. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and just pretty much just a playlist is going to show you everything that you want. Everything. I mean, look at all this stuff I have. All neatly organized. This playlist right here has every single video that I've ever made. And if you're into that kind of stuff, like you want to sit there and watch them all, it's great for me, but I don't know if anybody wants to do that, because you can see there are quite a few videos there. But yeah, it has them all, every one I've ever made, in order. Actually, this is the newest, I think, and then it goes down. But yeah, you can see. If you ever feel like watching me like all day for like a month straight, there you go. You can play this. I'm just kidding with you. Okay, I hope that, remember, playlist is your key to finding everything you want. Everything is just so neatly organized. It's so easy to find anything you could ever want. You like to watch yarn unboxings? Look at that, 137 of them right there. Men's clothing, like I said, anything. Yarn reviews, there's 103 yarn reviews on my channel. You like to people go shop for yarn? Plenty of videos like that. 9 crochet pillows. I had no idea how I even had that many, but yeah, there we go. Anything you want. 100 hats. I really like to make hats, in case you didn't know, but backpacks and baskets, and like I said, everything. So I'm gonna turn my camera back around. Okay, this video was supposed to be short, but it turned out being too long. I apologize. I just wanted to make sure you understood how you could find everything very easily on my channel if you just go to the playlist section. And I also wanted, since I had you on here, show you how to access the closed captions and the other languages, and I'm working really hard to put out them in as many different languages as I can. It just takes a lot of time because I do have almost 1,100 videos. Now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. That way when I put on a new video, which is usually every day or every other, you get notified. If you don't like that video that I put on, you can just skip it and wait for my next video. But yeah, make sure you got that notification turned on. You don't want to miss out on something you might like, because I do put tutorials on. Now, I used to say Monday was my tutorial day. Now I just kind of just put them on whenever, a couple times a week usually. So just sometimes more. So, you know, whenever I can, I do it. So hopefully this helped out anybody that was new, or anybody that's been here a while and just struggled to find my videos. I hope that helped. So thanks everybody for watching. Stay safe.